Hey guys, so I was in my local 7-Eleven just earlier, and I had to use the restroom. When I was in there, I found this pair of socks. They were just kind of laying in the corner, and as you can see, like, this one looks pretty nice and clean and like white and everything. This other one though has some stains on it. It doesn't really smell. So I have here some Shout, the triple action, 50% more concentrated than in-wash powder. So I'm hoping that it'll be able to get the stains out. I mean, otherwise it seems like a perfectly good pair of socks. So it doesn't make sense to waste them, you know. When life gives you lemons, sort of thing, you know. I mean, they're free, they were there. I don't think they're anybody's that I took. So we're just gonna, you know, they say Shout, it gets the tough stains out, whatever. So basically, I think you cover this, it says cover the stain with the Shout formula and wait and kind of rub it in and all that. So I mean, that's what we're gonna do. Sorry, I'm switching hands here. We're just gonna, oh wow, that kind of like foams up. Yeah, so I mean, this is kind of like a how-to video. Maybe if you guys have any, I mean, maybe not necessarily stains like this, but like I said, I mean, it's a perfectly good pair of socks. I don't know why somebody would just leave them there, but oh wow, you can actually see like some stuff is coming up already. Yeah, I don't know, maybe on these tougher ones how it's gonna work, but so we'll leave it set there for I mean, it says 1 to 5 minutes and it says like rub it in, so maybe we'll just do like a few seconds or so. But yeah, I mean, this Shout stuff, I've heard good things, so that's why I figured we'll give it a try. And, you know, obviously don't spray it in your eyes, don't drink it, whatever, you know. Tide Pods, all that, you know, junk. No, but seriously guys, you gotta be careful. It is harmful chemicals. We'll spray it down a little more, I think. Let's see. Oh, actually, I think it's making a difference already. And then, you know what, it says rub it in, but I'm gonna just give it a little rinse. So, oh no, it's getting all over here. Let's see. Wow, that looks a lot better already. Would you guys agree? Oh, and this side doesn't look too bad either now. Yeah, that's like new. I don't even think we had to rub it in, but we'll just do a little more and we'll rub it and we'll see. But yeah, guys, I mean, this is kind of, like I said, a how-to of how to use the Shout and stuff. I mean, I'm not saying that you had the same situation where you found some socks or whatever and you weren't sure and you wanted to save them, but just kind of rub it. I suppose I could beat it against the concrete like they used to do in the olden days by rivers and with rocks. Oh wow, that's actually really clean. I'm really surprised, guys. Look at that. Look at how white those socks are now. It looks like the other one. Heck yeah. Well guys, I think we definitely scored ourselves a nice new pair of socks. Not new, but new to me. And they look nice. I mean, look at these two. You can barely tell the difference between them from what it was before. But all right guys, I mean, I guess if you have any tough stains you want to shout them out, you know, by all means, you know how to use it now. Just make sure you follow the directions and give it a good try and it should go well. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you did enjoy this video and you want to see more how-tos. Even comment if there's something in particular you want to see, you know, maybe a situation that happened to you. Maybe it wasn't, you didn't find socks in the 7-Eleven bathroom like me, but maybe it was a shirt or whatever somewhere that you want to know how to clean. So, alright, thanks guys.